This is a Dishend press machine, specially designed to shape metal sheets into precise dish or concave forms. The metal workpiece is securely placed under the press, and controlled hydraulic or mechanical force is applied to achieve the exact shape required. Dishend presses are widely used in automotive manufacturing, cookware production, and various industrial applications where uniformity and precision are critical. The machine ensures consistent thickness, smooth surfaces, and high-quality components, reducing material waste and increasing overall efficiency. Operators can adjust the pressing parameters depending on the type and thickness of the metal, allowing for versatility across different projects. Regular maintenance, including lubrication and inspection of hydraulic systems, keeps the press running smoothly and extends its lifespan. Always follow proper safety procedures while operating the machine. Wear protective gear, ensure all guards are in place, and never bypass safety mechanisms. With careful operation, the Dishend press machine delivers precise, reliable, and efficient results, making it an essential tool for high-standard manufacturing.